Right, well, Moramai, Jason.
Moramai, Adrian.
Yes, and so you're the Clerk to Portsmouth Commissioners. Now, the Commissioners have always, obviously I live in Portsmouth as well, and brilliant sort of bilingual signage throughout the port, really, which is fantastic, really. But I think that you're thinking of also adding more signage in Manx around the port then.
That's right, yeah, we're looking at creating more of a visitor attraction with sort of welcome gateway signage, and also all the sort of the brown sort of heritage kind of signs that you'll see, for viewing points and signposts to the town hall or to the harbour. All of those will be done in Manx Gaelic with a bit of English underneath for those who aren't as bilingual as yourself.
As the rest of us.
And the same goes with things like street signs as well. At the moment, we already have those. The board have had various discussions, and they've decided now that they're going to mimic what they're doing with the brown signs as part of the sort of the regeneration kind of idea, and switch that around to Manx is the more prominent one at the top of the signs, and then the English translation.
And so what's the thinking behind that then?
Really, just to sort of try and get back to the roots of one of the Portsmouth is one of probably the most ancient fishing village on the Isle of Man, and really just try and differentiate ourselves a little bit from some of the others. You can see with the sort of branding on the shirt there. We've formalised on a logo. There's various logos sort of kicked around through the annals of time. Obviously, with the Baron Tifo at Lamurra, is really where we're sort of going with that. So that's going to be on all of the signs. So you've got various things, and we're sort of falling in line with things like the school, obviously school as well. Yeah, we're just sort of trying to differentiate ourselves and be a little bit unique and probably attract people to come down and visit us.
Yeah, well, good. I mean, it's certainly from our point of view for the Manx Heritage Foundation and sort of the language of it, it's good to see a wide range of organisations using the language really, and as someone who's from Portsmouth, it is an important part of the port's history really. So it's good that it has a strong visibility in the port. And as you say, I think from the branding point of view, it does, it's something about Portsmouth really. It differentiates Portsmouth, and it's about belonging to it. So it doesn't really matter from our point of view whether you're from here originally or whatever. It's part about belonging to this part of the island really. So it's good.
Yeah, I mean, obviously, Portsmouth has changed somewhat over the years. It was obviously a bustling, busy port, as you'll see from some of the photos dotted around the town hall. I've got thousands and thousands of them kicking around, which we're trying to sort of promote. Again, trying to embrace a little bit of the modern technology. We have a Facebook page where we've posted a lot of those. We've got sort of comments from people as far afield who were probably born and raised in Portsmouth area and want to come back and visit, having seen some pictures that they've seen on there from the way it used to be. I think there was a project done in 1979 for the Millennium Project where we had all of those, and again the board are looking at possibly doing something like that similar, in the future at some point. We need to choose which timeline we want to follow on that one. But I mean, it's just very nice to look back. there used to be a lot more shops. It's not so much that, it's becoming more of a residential kind of area, with fewer shops and everything else. So obviously we need to look at what amenities you need to have as part of that, and obviously attracting visitors down. As a sort of per capita, we've probably got in Portsmouth probably more restaurants than most places on the Isle of Man. Yet it's from a shop's perspective, we sort of disappear when you look at other sort of more local towns.
But it's good to see that language can play at least a small role anyway in sort of generating sort of a new identity for the port in the years to come, really.
Definitely.
Business, culturally, etc. Good. Excellent, good stuff. And good remind, thanks.
Okay, thank you.